All right, Jason.
All right.
What do you got for me?
You're gonna hear all the sounds.
I'm feeling nervous right now.
You should.
Are you blowing up a balloon?
Yeah. Tape.
What kind of tape?
Scotch tape. Sex tape.
Yes.
A whoopee cushion?
Squishy stuff.
Yeah.
Splat? Is that what it's called? It's probably the color orange.
Whoa! Nobody's guessed the color yet.
Ew, y'all, that's gross. It's like queefing, but worse.
Pickles. Is it hot sauce?
Yep.
Nice.
What kind though?
Oh, that's Del Taco hot sauce. But that's probably the black one. It's not the orange one.
It is the black one.
That's the Inferno one or whatever.
How are you doing this?
You're brushing your teeth.
Girls will put this candy in their mouths and give their boyfriends blowjobs.
Laffy Taffy. Milk Duds. Oh, Pop Rocks!
Oh, it's so wet.
That's disgusting, first of all.
Yep.
Whatever it is, I hate it so much.
Are you mixing mayonnaise into a bowl of tuna?
Are you eating it?
You can. It's really good. I'm not gonna eat this.
Mac and
bowl.
cheese.
Yep. I believe that you will guess this one.
Okay.
So there's a slam and then a pop.
That's violent, man.
Yeah, it's violent.
It's honestly a very similar sound to like peeling my legs off a leather couch.
We got far too many of these laying around the office.
A dildo?
Is that a dildo? I'm ashamed to have known that.
It's the pink dildo, isn't it?
Yep.
Yes!
I think I took it from your desk.
I
Actually.
did.
Is he wrapping the dildo in foil? What a weird game this is.
Yeah.
Oh, Nicole's just dragging her nails across cardboard, isn't she?
It's on.
God, a chalkboard!
Yes.
Oh, Nicole, stop that! It's the worst.